Hi, this is Rock. We're going to talk about Sumproduct. We talked about product, which is the way to multiply numbers in Excel. This is going to do two things at once. We're going to take a sum of all the products of a particular set of data. Let's see how this works. Let's say we've got these items that are these costs, and then we've got these quantities. We could do this in several steps. Let's say starting with creating the product of these two numbers. And once we paste that down, then we can take the sum of this and get the sum total. But let's just do the sum product. So in other words, skip a step. In this case, we could do sum product. The first argument here is the first array. I'm going to hit comma to create the second argument, which is this second array. And then I hit enter, and you'll notice it's the same. Same thing as what we did here. This was a two-step process where we do a product first and then a sum, whereas this skipped that step and did sum product altogether. So that's what sum product is. Pretty straightforward. There are other ways to use it to great advantage with doing some data analysis that I will show you in another video. Next, we're going to look at the mod function. See you then.